Hi, this is my first devlog. So I am currently developing a game in Unity. So this game is basically you can just drive forever in a procedurally generated road. So currently I'm making the car work. So this car I modeled it in Blender. So I have uploaded the video modeling this car in our channel. So please do check it out. And so yeah, this is the car. The body is separated from all the four wheels, and we have arranged it in such a way that it is whole as a parent, and the parent has a rigid body, a box collider, and the movement. I'll come to the script in a while. So in this parent body, we have car body, which is the top part, and we have the wheel, which has two other children. They are colliders and wheel meshers. So these colliders are basically the ones having wheel colliders. So their mesh rendering is turned off. They just have that value and they are not visible in the game. And these are the values I've set. Don't care about the mask. This is the mask for the wheel, not the whole car. And these are the other settings. The spring is basically set to 35,000 I guess with default, but this is what works for me. So if we are developing a car, the value is always dependent on your car and how you want the car to look when it's moving. So then we have the car wheel meshes. They don't have any other component. They are just the wheel. Then I'll show you the script. This is for the movement of car. So all of these are set to fixed update. And yeah, this is how you get the input. If you get W, you have the vertical input. And I have set these to -1. Minus because when I imported the car, it was basically facing the opposite direction. So when I give positive value here, the car basically goes backwards whenever I press W. So I have to change the value to minus. So if you are importing a model and if it is facing the right way, don't use the minus. Then we have all other key code. Then we have the script for the motor. So this is BL means back left and this is back right. This car is set to the rear wheel drive. So this value is given so that it feels like an acceleration, because when I did without this value, like when I tried to drive it without this value, just it was input into motor code. It was a bit too like it was not coming out the way I imagined it. So yeah, this one basically works. And yes, here we have the braking code, and this is for steering. So yeah, we have set it to front and right steering, front left and front right. Yeah, so this is for the traction control. So when we increase the traction, we have a better drift car, and if you decrease it, it becomes like a really sticking to the floor. So this is the wheel force. This is for turning the wheels and rotation of the wheel. So basically this is the script for our car. Then we have our camera, which is like I tried to remake something similar to how cars work in Forza Horizon and GTA. Like the movements, like when we turn left we go like this, we go like this. When we brake we go like this, and when we accelerate we go like this. So yeah, basically I tried to remake it. Now I'll show the script for camera. This is for setting the camera position and how it looks, or like how it focuses into the car. This one is for rotation. So this rotation basically helps with how the camera should rotate according to how the car is turning. This one is for handling the zoom. That means when we accelerate, our camera goes backward, and when we uh, brake the car, our camera will zoom in. This is again for handling position and rotation. So yeah, that's how the camera works. Now I'll show how it looks in the move. So, as you can see, we can reverse the car and we can brake the car. And this is the camera movement we were talking about. Now we are going forward. This is left and right. So this camera tilt you are seeing is the one that makes the car movement look a little more cinematic. You can perform jump and yeah, landing. Oops. Okay. Chill. All right. So yeah, this is basically how the car works, and this is just the first part. And this is not the final script. We will be developing it more. Like we will be adding those a little more camera movement, and there are so many updates I would, or like features I want in this car movement. So yeah, stay tuned. So next devlog will probably be for the generation of the procedural terrain, and before that I will be uploading a video on how I'm making the terrain models. By the way, this is my first game development too. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you.